This is our Daniel story bag. Daniel was a key advisor to the king, and soon he was promoted to one of his most trusted helpers. But his other advisors were green with envy. They wanted to get rid of Daniel and came up with a plan. They persuaded the king to make a new law that only allowed people to pray to the king and no one else. Daniel knew that God's law only allowed you to pray to God, and he was obedient to that and continued to pray to God. The other helpers and advisors waited and caught him and dragged him to the king for breaking the law. The king was sad and knew he'd been tricked, but he couldn't change. So he ordered Daniel to be thrown into the lion's den. The den was dark and the lions were hungry, and Daniel was scared. But he prayed to God to protect him, and he put his trust in God. While Daniel and the king prayed to God for protection, God sent an angel to close the lions' mouths. And thus Daniel was saved by God. Daniel was very happy, and the king was too. Even the lions were happy as they got their breakfast in the end, when Daniel's enemies were thrown into the den by the king as punishment for plotting against Daniel.